Good, right? So come with me, let's slay this install, guys. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you an interesting tip you didn't know about. Hey Bessies, for behind the scenes and fun extra tips, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell. Let's slay this journey together. So guys, here's what this week came in looking like. As you can see, I needed to clean out the glue and I needed to do some prep before my clients came. So this is after cleaning the glue. So what I use to clean my glue is basically I use glue remover. I just apply on the frontal and I let it sit for a while. And then I clean it out with a towel. And in this case, I had to use water and shampoo to kind of clean the frontal because I noticed that the previous person who did the install for this hair used a lot of wax, so it was really oily. So I needed to thoroughly clean it. If not, the glue wasn't going to hold for long time. So yeah. So here's what their wig was looking like after cleaning it, and I went ahead with my heat protectant and my hair wax to slick this hair back. So yeah, so like I said, this was just the prep I was doing before my client came and we started the install. So if you notice, this hair was kind of, the frontal was kind of going bald already. So later on when my client came, we had a discussion about this and we concluded that I wasn't going to trim out this section, but instead she was going to do a refill. So yeah, it don't make sense for me to trim this out if she's going to, if there's a better option like doing a refill. So that's why I decided to install this hair that way, since she wasn't going to carry it around for long anyways. So yeah, it came out beautiful, it came out dope. So yeah, so here's my beautiful client. So when she finally came, we began the install, and I'm just going to speed this up because I don't want to waste a lot of your amazing time. So first things first, always prep your hair. Make sure you use alcohol to clean your frontal. And yeah, and one thing I learned from this install, since I've never really installed on short hair before. So one thing I learned is with this short hair, I think I'm going to use the ball cap. So yeah, unfortunately we had electricity problem and the light went, but thank God for my solar, my backup. So after putting it on, I continue. So I was making mention of the fact that I don't install with ball cap, but I think I'm going to use ball cap when I'm installing a client who has short hair, just because I feel like since you have short hair, you're going to wash your hair a lot, oil is going to touch your hair a lot, so it just makes the hair extra oily and makes the glue not to stick. So the ball cap is going to help prevent this. So of course, after cleaning your forehead, you're going to apply your skin protectants and then your 2 or 3 layers of glue depending on how long you want to hold the hair. And I went ahead to begin detangling this hair. So you can see it was a tedious process, but I just used water and this octopus brush and I detangled the hair with it. So next we are going to dry this hair so that we can retain some of the volume. And yeah, so I use my dryer on warm or hot because we actually had to dry this hair. Like I said, I used water to detangle it, so it was really not soaking wet, but it was giving that wet look. So we had to dry it so that we can also retain the volume. So yeah, I began the drying process, and like I said, I really enjoyed the install of this hair. Like the hair was giving. This hair is so beautiful, so pretty. I can't wait for her to do the refill and I reinstall this hair. Don't bother, Bessie. I'm going to update you. I need to reinstall this hair after the refill and everything because this hair was really perfect. And next time, I'm just going to prep the hair and do all this before my client comes, so I don't have to waste a lot of her time doing all this. So yeah, I just had a short time because she bought the hair and she had to install it in like 30 minutes time. So I didn't have a lot of time to do a complete prep. So I just had to clean the glue, clean the frontal and just install it so that I'll do most of the work on her hair. I had to detangle, I had to try, I had to do all this. But if I had done all this, then she would have been gone by now. So, but then again, it doesn't really matter because maybe sometimes a program just comes up and you're not really expecting it, so you can't always plan for unexpected things, right? So yeah, either way, I love this hair. The texture was good, the hair was good, the length was giving, everything was giving, my client was giving. So yeah, it was really a good hair all along, and I really enjoyed the process. So yeah, so if you need any tips, make sure you check out my page, guys. I post amazing content tutorials, and this dryer, I really love it. I have a video up on unboxing, and yeah, you can check it out and see the brand I got it from. So yeah, so and now the final moments, the moments we have all been waiting for, guys. The relief my clients feel when you take off this melting band, I just always feel it with them. Like, guys, you guys are so strong, man. Like, I don't install a lot. Most of my wigs, when I say most of my wigs, majority of my wigs are glueless because I really don't have the strength. My God. So yeah, so after melting, I took out the band to see how my install was looking, to see if I needed to touch up some things, and fortunately, no, everything was perfect. And did I mention the fact that my install game is on point? Like, you barely see glue on the band when I take it off, and there's always just very minute touches because obviously. So I just needed to clean off some glue from the frontal, like tiny bits of glue. So what I do, right, is I use an earbud, a cotton bud. Yeah, broccoli ear. No, no, not earbud. Sorry. So yeah, I use a cotton bud. So since it has a smaller surface, right, it's not going to mess with my install. So I put rubbing alcohol on the cotton bud, and I use the cotton bud to clean out any glue residue. So yeah, that's basically what I do. So this little section has this teeny bit of glue that was so stubborn. So yeah, so after getting that out, that was it. So yeah, so I just had to do some minute touches. You know that after that melting band is taken out, there are just some things you need to brush out, need to cement out, and I had to check the other section, but it was perfect. So yeah, we are good to go. And yes, so overall I think this install came out great. It came out perfect, and like I said, I can't wait to reinstall this hair, guys. I really enjoyed the quality of the hair. My client was so friendly, and yeah, so yeah, so that's basically it. So we are done with the install, guys. So I just went ahead to apply my hairspray so that I can give it that extra shine. And my client needed a little bit of volume, so she wanted us to brush it out, but she was contemplating like, is this going to affect the curls? And I was like, nah, it's not going to affect the curls. It's going to be perfect because I already used something that is going to keep the curls intact. So yeah, so basically we just brush out the curls a little bit, give it more of a fluffy volume. And yeah, guys, so I think overall it was perfect. So yeah, we did brush it out, and she enjoyed the volume, she enjoyed how it came out, and I hope she enjoyed her install as well, because at the end of the day, you always aim for your customers' satisfaction. So yeah, guys, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and make sure you check out my page. Like I said, I post amazing tutorials, amazing content, ideas, and my camera is always going to mess up because that's just how cameras are. So here's my beautiful client, and can you see how beautiful she's looking? Like, this install was so perfect. So yeah, guys, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on notification, because I'm going to be coming with amazing updates in no time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.